You know I gotta go, cause I gotta
How's it going, guys? Brand new video today, and I'm so excited as I haven't been able to do this ever before. I'm going to be customising my own pair of Nike football boots, the comeback boots. I've been buzzing to do this for months. So today I'll be designing a pair of materials because they just look better than the Vapor 360s. So I'm going to keep them as the Superfly 360. The Superfly 360s have the sock and the Vapor don't. So we're going to start with the upper texture of the boot, and I'm not going to pick a wolf grey. I'm definitely going to stick with a white. So now we're going to be here with the swoosh and the laces. The swoosh, we're on the laces. The blue looks nice, and a black tick. Maybe change the colour to a red, but change the laces to red. That looks 10 times better, and keep the swoosh black. So for personalisation, we've got the lateral part of the boot, and we're going to put in SFC for Shrublands Football Club. That's going to look sick. And then I want the English flag, as that's my nationality. So for the medial text, I'm going to obviously change the text to the name of my channel. That's going to look sick, and my football number for Shrublands, number 9. So here we can change the colour. I was maybe thinking of a little bit of red. But I was definitely keen on keeping that black. So here we have the traction. These are basically the studs of the boots. I like the colour of the red on the bottom, but I wasn't too keen on the white, so I changed that to black. And it just looks fresh, absolutely fresh. And I wanted to keep the studs as blades because I prefer wearing blades instead of metal studs, or even the little circle studs. So now it was definitely time to put these in the basket and select the size 9. That's what size feet I am. Obviously not the biggest size in the world, but yeah, size 9, and that's £244.95. Now that all the card details were in, we were able to place the order, and we had to wait around a month before the boots came, but it was going to be a long wait, but I'm buzzing for them to arrive. 2 weeks down the line, and I got an email saying that the boots were going to arrive tomorrow, until I realised that they were going to the wrong address. So I got in touch with UPS, and they decided to send it to an access point, so I had to travel and go get that. I don't know why they made it go to an access point when I gave them the correct postcode, but hey ho, I had to go get it.
Finally, man, I've waited for 3 weeks now, and they're here. So here they are, the boots. Well, I went down to the village hall shopping this morning to go to UPS access point. Let's get this open. Let's see the packaging they sent for me. This is my first ever personalised pair of boots. Here we go. Usually, as you see, you're in Nike by Jaden. A lovely little box by Nike. Come on, I'm getting excited now. Oh, they're paying. They're paying, honest to God. Can you see that, JOHNO? Wow. SFC for Shrubs. I really like them. Probably a bit more weight than I thought they were going to be. Wow. So if many of you didn't know, I had an operation in September. These are the comeback boots. I thought I'd get a little pair of comeback boots, and they're totally better than I thought. The quality of these is immense. £244 off Nike store. You know how it is. You got to treat yourself to a personalised pair. After all, so they're the boots. I'll show you a little B-roll in a minute. I got a little bag for the boots to go into as well. That's nuts. Happy days, happy days. So as you can see here, I've got JOHNO coming down here, and then I've got a number 9 which is hidden. But literally, if you go to the other boot, you can see it very, very clearly. Better than, yeah. And the little England national flag here. That goes with the colours. And then, as you can see on the tick, SSC. So I'm now going to finish off with some B-roll for the boots. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let's smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. JOHNO out.
Dream.